Recently, the USA Today asked 1,000 people, if you won the lottery, what's the first thing you would do? 98% of those people said travel. So why don't we travel more? The challenge is most people just don't have the time or the money to travel the way they want, so we solved both of those problems. In the next few minutes, we're going to share with you an entire world of travel and business you probably never knew existed. You're learning about a 13-year-old award-winning multi-billion-dollar travel giant with over 1 million people already utilizing our platform in more than 30 countries. So there's two main parts to what you're about to see. Number one, we've created a way for people to access thousands of one-of-a-kind luxury vacations, checking off virtually every bucket list destination you can imagine at a fraction of the normal price. And the second part of our platform is for those with an entrepreneurial spirit. In addition to traveling and having fun, we also have an online business system that can pay you a true residual or recurring income right from your smartphone anywhere in the world. See, we all know that the internet, mobile apps, and social media have changed the game of business. Platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so many others have completely changed the way companies market their products and how we as consumers buy. And this is especially true in the multi-trillion-dollar travel industry. Let's face it, people love travel and love posting or sharing on social media. This is the perfect storm for our business. So rather than spending millions of dollars on traditional advertising such as TV, billboards, or print, we use the fastest, most exciting, and powerful method there is, word of mouth or viral marketing. And we've created a compensation plan that can reward you for sharing our products directly to the consumer. Lastly, we're not looking for people with sales experience, as we've developed a simple step-by-step online system that makes it easy to expose new people to the material and let the tools do the work. And yes, you can have success here without quitting your job or changing your lifestyle. So if you're someone who would love to travel more and have an online income stream, let us know you want some more information and we'll shoot it right over to you.